What's good, it's Chris. So this video is Microsoft Awards legit? Yeah, I'm about to show y'all in this video later. But if you're not subscribed, make sure you go to subscribe right now and like the video and subscribe to Raptors Vlogs. This link's in my bio. If you haven't, make sure you follow my social media right above me. I'll follow back on everything. Let's go. Alright, so this is called Microsoft Awards. I already went over this in my last video, but it's gonna be short. You just do different tasks and it gives you points. You save up the points, you can buy cards. So I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I'm opening this. You open this, it gives you 10 points. I already did it, so it's not gonna give you more points over and over again. 3990. And then you do like a little quiz. I already finished this quiz, as you can see. They do like a daily poll. Boom, you get more points. So if you wanna keep up your streak, you only have to do the top 3 here. But if you want more points, there's a whole bunch of stuff here at the bottom that you can do for more. And then there's like, if you spend 50, earn 5,000. If you're doing it just for points, don't do that because you're gonna be spending more than you're receiving. So it's not really smart. But so after people save up points, you go to redeem, and then you can pretty much just like buy stuff. So you can do like giveaways, donate to people, and buy stuff. So already go check out my last video. I'll put more detail about like buying and everything. But so I bought a Walmart gift card. So pretty much all you gotta do is click on it. It's gonna take you to the little screen. There's like 5, 10, and 25. I bought a 10, and you pretty much have to have 13,000 points. So I saved up, but then I spent it. That's why it looks lower. So I'm gonna head over to my email. So this is the thing they sent. Microsoft Rewards. Hooray, here's your order. The Walmart e-gift card is the perfect. Yeah, whatever. Y'all can read that. So it sends you a URL. So you click on the. I already opened it in another tab, but you probably think I'm just playing around. Like, it's not legit. I'm gonna show you it's legit. I click on the URL. Takes me to this, where it shows me all the information I need to put in. So I already have my Walmart account, so I'm gonna add it into my thing. Oh no, not a card. Make sure you go to gift cards. I already have 15 of the ones before, so I'm about to add it now. So go over to my email. Oh no. Go over to the thing, copy gift card number. I'm gonna censor it out when I make I'm gonna censor it out because I don't want you taking my stuff. But go over to it, gift card number, and then you go here, pin, Control C, pin, nickname. I'm gonna do YouTube for the YouTube video, and then save, and then you're gonna see it works. $10, bro. Let's go. Y'all can see this video works, bro. I'm telling you. Save password, bro. This is probably it's not that fast. It's gonna take you a little bit, but it's a legit way to get money. If you're an adult, it's not a smart way. You're already making how much a month? This is gonna waste your time. You could be doing other stuff, Uber. If you're a kid or a teen, I guess, then this is a jump for you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more. I'm gonna do Sweatcoin. I'm gonna tell y'all if that's legit or not. I'm gonna try other stuff out. So make sure you subscribe for more.